Hey guys, it's Emma from LoomingLegends, and today I will be showing you how to make this bird. This bird does not take very long and it is a beginner-friendly design, so if you are a beginner, I recommend that you make this. So let's get on to the supplies you will be needing and the band count. So you will be needing a hook. Today I'm using my Rainbow Loom metal hook. You will be needing a stitch marker to mark your rows. Today I'm using an extra wide seat clip. You will be needing scissors for this tuft and stuffing. So that's all you will be needing for this design. And for the band count, you will be needing exactly 100 of your main bird color. Today I am using blue, and this one I used multicolor. And then you will be needing 3 bands for the beak. I don't have bands with me for the beak right now, but I will go grab them. I want to keep it short for you guys, so let's get on to the tutorial. Okay everyone, we will be starting off by making the wing. So what you want to do is grab a single band, wrap it around so there are 3 loops on your hook. Grab 1 band, place it on your hook, twist it, and then reclaim. Stretch these 2 loops out and slide this cap band through, reclaim. Grab another band, double loop it, and slide it through. Then reclaim. Then you want to grab 1 band and slide it through all of those loops. And then you can let go off your hook. You can just slide it. So this is your wing. You want to pause the video here and make another wing. Okay guys, next up we will be making the tail piece for the bird. So I'm just going to face it that way so you can see. So you want to grab a band, wrap it around so there are 3 loops. Grab a band, double it, slide through that cap band, reclaim. Grab another band, wrap it around 3 times. Grab a band, double it, grab your cap band, slide it through, and reclaim. And you want to make 1 more of these on your hook. Grab a band, wrap it around 3 times, grab your other band, double it, slide the cap band through, and reclaim. Then you want to grab a band, double it, slide it through all 12 of those loops, reclaim, grab a band, slide through everything, and stretch it out. And there, now you have your wings and tail piece. And that's everything we need to pre-make, and then I'll make the eyes at the end. So now we can get started on making the bird. So we will be starting off by making a magic ring of 5. So you're going to get a band, wrap it around so there are 3 loops on your hook. Grab a band, slide through the cap band, reclaim, and slide. Go back inside. And if you are an advanced loomer, you just want to make a magic ring of 5. Grab another band, slide through the cap band, reclaim, and then bring these 2 loops over the front like that. So we want to do that 3 more times. So 1, 2, and 3. Grab your C-clip and add it to that front loop on your hook. Our next round is increasing in every stitch around to get to 10 stitches. So you want to go into this first stitch right here, grab a band, slide through the stitch, reclaim, and slide. And you want to go back inside and do another stitch. And we want to do this all the way around. So that is called an increase. And also, if I'm ever going too fast or slow for you, you can fast forward the video or rewind it. And in our last stitch, there we go. Grab your C-clip and add it to that front loop around your hook. Our next round is 3 single crochets followed by an increase, and by the end of this round we should have 12 stitches. So a single crochet is 1 stitch of an increase, so 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and then increase, 1, 2, 3, increase, and then you want to end off with 2 single crochets. Grab your C-clip and add to that front loop around your hook. Now we want to count our stitches to make sure we have 12 stitches. So I'm going to whisper so I won't interrupt you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So rounds 4 through 6 is single crocheting all the way around. I will be doing 1 round on camera with you, and then I'll be doing the other 2 off camera. So you just want to single crochet all the way around. And Anna and I, we recently haven't been uploading as many tutorials, only because we've been making a lot more fun videos, like challenge videos and stuff like that. So I've been busy editing all of those videos. So that's what I've been doing. So yeah. And sorry for any background noise as always. And we're at our last stitch. There we go. So I recommend putting a band down every time you do a row. So you want to do 3 rounds total. I already did 1 with you. So you want to pause the video and do 2 more rounds of single crochet. Welcome back everyone. You should have something that looks like this. Our next round is 2 single crochets followed by a decrease to get to 9 stitches. And we should still have 12 stitches right now, but not anymore once we finish this round. So I just did my 2 single crochets, and now I will be showing you how to do a decrease. So you want to grab this front loop facing towards you, and this back loop facing away from you. Grab a band, slide through these first 2 loops, reclaim, and then bring these 2 loops over the front loop. So 1 and 2, so that's our decrease, and we want to do this all the way around to get to 9 stitches. So single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and then decrease. And I'm sorry if I accidentally get out of the scene for this. Two. And ending off in a decrease. There we go. Grab your C-clip and add to that loop around your hook. Okay guys, our next round is a single crochet followed by decrease to get to 6 stitches. So I will be doing exactly that. If you want to, you could count your stitches. I'm just not going to at this point. But if you want to, you can. You should have 9, but after this round, we should have 6. And ending off in a decrease. There we go. Okay guys, so now we want to grab our stuffing and stuff your bird up. You can just slide this end up here, open it up, and stuff your stuffing inside. If this is too hard for you, I recommend grabbing a pen and just poking it like that. And then another tip is you can just roll your creation out. If any stuffing falls out, that means you overstuffed. But to me, this looks okay. So you can just put your C-clip aside. And we're going to do 3 decreases to close. So we want 3 bands to decrease. So we're going to grab this front loop, this back loop, grab the band, pull through, decrease. Then I'll show you what to do on your 3rd decrease. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to grab your band, slide through all 3 of those loops, reclaim, and then slip knot. Then you want to tuck your slip knot band inside by going in some of the stitches. I'll repeat that so you can see what I'm doing. So I go in through the stitches, grab this end, and pull through, and just tuck it inside of your birdie. I'm just going to zoom out. Okay, there. Just a bit of stuffing. Okay. So this is pretty much the bird, but we just need to add on features to make it look like a bird. So I will be now showing you how to attach these pieces. So you want to grab your creature, turn it to the back, go inside a stitch. So I want this side to be the front. Yeah. Grab your tail, slide it through, reclaim, slip knot, tuck this slip knot inside if you like where you placed your, what is it called, tail, and just tuck this right on inside your bird. Okay, there. So I just want to make sure this looks good. Yep, it's okay. So now we have something like this. Okay guys, so you want to insert your wing about here or here. I'm going to move it down here. So you want to grab your band, pull it through, reclaim, and slip knot. As you can see, that looks nice. So we're just going to go across. So I'm going to go into this stitch right here. I'm just going to flip it like that. We're going to grab the end of our band, I'm going to pull it through, reclaim, and slip knot. So there you should have your wings. It's probably the hardest part is to attach the wings. Anyways, we're just going to tuck that slip knot in. Now we're just going to grab our scissors and very carefully cut your stuffing off. You don't want to accidentally cut your creation because that would not be good. And you'd ruin your creation. There we go. Okay, so now we want to make our eyes. Okay, so just pretend this was your black band. You'd want to wrap it around, so there are 4 loops. You would grab a band and then slide through. And then you would just, I'll show you how to put it in once I show you guys how to make the beaded ones. So you want to grab your string, grab your band, slide it through the string, so it's on like that. Fold your string in half. I'm untwisting it. So you want to align it so the strings are even to make it easier for yourself to thread the bead onto. So there we go. Slide the bead. Do the 2 pieces of string, and I can't seem to get both on. This is just when okay, there. And then tuck. And then that's your bead. You want to make another one. Okay guys, so now that we have our eyes, we're just going to find a good spot. I'm going to put it right here. Just going to grab it. So this is what you would do with the bands as well. So you would just go into this spot, grab your band, pull through, reclaim, and slip knot. Tuck it in, like so. Skip a stitch, go directly across, grab your band, slide through, reclaim, slip knot, and tuck your eye right on inside your bird. Okay, so there. Now we want to make our beak, so you want 3 bands for the beak. Today I'm using, I forgot the name of these bands, they're just these shiny limited edition yellow. So you want to grab 1 band and wrap it around, so there are 3 loops on your hook. Do the same thing again. Grab 1 band and slide through the 6 loops. Take this off. Go through 2 stitches, so here and here. Grab your beak, pull it through the 4 loops. Oh, I didn't mean to grab the stuffing, it's fine. Reclaim, slip knot, I'm just going to slide that stuffing out of the way. Slip knot, and you want to tuck the slip knot in. I'm just going to try to get the stuffing under control because it's getting everywhere. Guys, that's okay. You just want to tuck in the slip knot any way you would like to make it look good. As you can see, the stuffing is clearly trying to take over, but we're just tucking this in. And there is your bird. Some final touches would be to, oh no, carefully touch up your bird by just snipping at the stuffing. If you don't want to risk cutting your creation, I don't recommend doing this, but if you're a bit risky and you don't mind, I really recommend you do this. Yeah, now you guys probably think I'm getting so confusing. Anyways, this eye. Okay, there you have your birdie. Almost forgot about the tuft. So you want 3 bands for the tuft. You're just going to go through a stitch, grab a band, slide grab a band, slide through reclaim, slip knot, tug, and you want to make however many furs as you would, tuft, furs, feathers that you would like. I'm going to make 3. I just feel like that's a good number. So we're just going to tug it like that. Now it looks crazy. We're going to grab our scissors and cut these ends and then just trim the ends to get them the way you'd like them to look. Whoa. I'm just going to tug all these, make them look good, and fix this eye. So there. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye!
Wow.